Good morning. Do you ever wake up and think, I don't want to do my hair today? That's me every day. I never want to do my hair. Obviously, you know, I wake up like this. So I got my little snacks for school, some orange slices and a little croissant. Look at my little giraffe ring. My Harry Potter ring for all those Harry Potter people out there. Whenever I wear this like vest thing, I feel like I'm kind of like going on a safari, like welcome to the jungle, you know, like look. I can't really see it. It's kind of weird. So I just got home from class and it was so boring today. I was just like, what? All class, I don't know. Usually it's really fun, like, you know, college is way different, but I guess not today. What are you making there?
Sandwich with some stupid string cheese.
No, I think that's enough. Ew.
There's like no more cheese.
This is all Natalie's products for her sandwich.
Not this.
Okay.
That's for my chips.
Okay. Show us how you make your sandwich. Come on.
Getting there. Salami.
Ew.
Oh, it's still pretty good, I think.
You hope.
I don't hope. I know. I think I'm gonna put like...
Oh my god, I think that's enough.
Oh yeah, I got a fork now. I'm gonna stick my fingers in there. I've been having these like daily for a while. It's pretty unhealthy. You know, especially when I'm eating these too.
Wow.
I love spicy food.
That just looks disgusting.
No, it doesn't. You're just a hater.
Ew, Natalie.
Sorry, guys. You couldn't hold it in.
It just looks gross to me.
Doesn't.
I think it's because of the colors.
Chorizo.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I think you need some red in there.
And
Like
that's Natalie's sandwich. So I'm making some lunch for myself because I just got home from school. I just did a small, but a salad with croutons, some feta cheese, and pepper. And then I chopped up some red, yellow, and orange bell pepper and put some onion in there with a little bit of olive oil or vegetable oil and some salt and pepper. Look what my mom brought home. Oh yeah, the best. Yes. Oh. Midnight snack. Cutting Max's hair. Oh, he's like, I'll bite you. I'll bite you. Oh, I think he peed on me. Oh! I think he peed on me. I think he peed on me. I'm not even kidding. I feel a wetness.
see.
I feel a wetness. Dog peed on me. Awesome. Now I have to change my really cute outfit. See, how cute is this? With my safari vest. I'm so pissed off. Of course, he pees on me. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video and thanks for telling all your friends about it. It really means a lot to me. I'm gonna go eat my leftover Panera and watch MTV's The Challenge and go to bed because I stayed up really late last night editing the vlog. I hope you had a great day. I know I did. And I'll see you tomorrow.